Welcome to Pitstop, guys. Just wanted to show you a very special car which I saw in the Dubai dealership of the Hyundai, and this is the Hyundai Azera hybrid. So hybrid as in, apart from the hybrid, I'm not talking about the engine much, because what amazes me is the design of this car. It's a killer design, I would say, because just take a look at the front end. You have got a huge grille. The Azera hybrid has got a huge grille, and not just that, a very royal and flamboyant design, I would say, because just take a look at the headlamp design. Two projector LED headlamp setup over here looks very nice, and it's kind of a little bit boxy design and curvy as well, but very nice in terms of overall design. If you take a look at the side profile, you can see the car is pretty big. The most favorite design element is the rear quarter of the car. It looks very nice, and the tires are extremely proportionate for the design of the car. Let me take a look at the size. It's 225 section 18-inch wheels, and the alloy wheels are looking very nice, and you get a nice door handles up here, and up front you get Azera badging right on the door handle as well. So that looks very nice, very attention to detail elements which you will really like on a long run. And the best part, frameless doors. Not just here, even here you get proper paka frameless doors. I'll show you the interiors. Let me just get in through this side, and oh my god, so good. So very comfortable for two people. Maybe center you have a tunnel passing through, so that the third person might be a bit of constraint, but supremely comfortable for two people, and you get ample amount of headroom, leg room. Everything is super luxurious. If you take a look at the front dashboard layout, as usual, Hyundai has given a huge controls can be done through the screen itself, and just take a look at the steering wheel. Everything is like looking very royal. So that's a killer design from Hyundai. So this is the Hyundai Azera, and let me show you the rear end of the car as well. So this is how the it's looking very nice. I'm not sure if I will be able to open up the boot. Okay, so altogether this is the Hyundai Azera, and this will cost you 169,000 dirhams. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. A very quick video of walk around video of the Hyundai Azera. So it's a hybrid 1.6 liter turbo petrol engine. Thank you so much. Bye bye.